I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
All right, Professor Vinster here. I had a coughing session, so if I clear my throat, it's because I've got the uncomfortable throat. I was on life support before, and they had tubes down my throat, and I think they damaged some stuff. So sometimes it's plays tricks on me. But anyway, here we go. So I ordered this pipe from online, of course, in two different sizes. This is half inch. This is 3/4. Now, I wanted a half inch, but for some reason my order came in 3/4, which is okay because what I decided to do was my whole idea was to make shelves with this stuff. So I've got the flange, and then that mounts on the wall. These are actually lighter than you probably would buy for piping and water. So anyway, you'd mount that on the wall. And then I thought, well, then I got to buy the end caps, and I thought, well, the end caps are rather expensive. So I thought, hey, why don't I make some on the 3D printer? So I had made some. Now, sometimes you have to screw them backwards. Actually, that one here, put it on properly. And there you go. And there's your shelving bracket. And then you could have the wood so it fits against there. Or you could even put a bracket on so it loops in and hangs onto it properly. So there's one idea. Now, this thing here, I made this actually these fittings that I make on the 3D printer, I make them solid. So they're really, really strong. You're not gonna break them. I find the PLA stronger than PETG and all that because the carbon, all that, you can actually you could step on them and crack them. This stuff you can step on, you won't crack it, not when it's solid. So I find it actually better. So there's some options that you can do. See, you can put that like that, that direction, whatever you want. So anyway, so that goes on like that, or whatever you prefer. Now, if you want to add some of these together, I've actually, here you go. There's some ones straight off the press, and you can add them on. And same with end caps for those. Look how easy they go on. And these, like I said, these are strong. You won't break them. I mean, you'd have to really fire on it to actually break it. Now, also, I can make piping. Now, I make them on these sleeves. One of my printers does it. There you go. It puts a sleeve around it. Look at that. So you can put that there. You can put that on there. Look at that. That is, it's so much fun. Look at these. It just makes me laugh because you don't really need anything other than these. You're putting up shelves and stuff like that. Look at that. Like you can do whatever you want. And you can make end caps. I've got every single one of like they got U joints. I mean use Y's, reducers, different size pipe, um, um, T brackets, longer pipe, shorter pipes, whatever you want. Now, this is what I was going to show you. This is really cool. This is going to be for my Super Mario collection that I made. Now, grabbing this drawer over, oh, not that drawer, grabbing this drawer right here, I ordered so far 4 pieces of acrylic glass. Now, there's a coating on it, so that's why it's got a film on it. So I don't want to peel that off yet because I'm not ready to exactly use it. So anyway, check it out. Look at that. And I can paint it any color I want, put it up on the shelf. I can put two up. I can put brackets to them. I can make it into whatever you want, whatever you want to do. You can make it so that you can put your cell phone on it. Here's your cell phone at night. Put it beside your bed. Product. There you go. Products on it. Yeah, there you go. I make these in for the pill bottles. You could put uh, uh, holes in it and then make special brackets and put your pill bottles in, hold screws, whatever you like. I thought that was really cool. And I blew this all together. And the other thing that's great about it is I'm going to take it and I don't know, am I going to paint it silver? Am I going to paint it green? Maybe a green because of the Super Mario. I'm not sure. But there's so many options when I made a whole bunch of these lids for, or the lid, not a lid, but the ends. I ordered 10 of these so I can put up a long shelf to put some of my work that I have not painted and keep it up out of the way. I can put it up anywhere in a utility room, whatever, until I get to the job. That'll help me out. And like I said, any size ones you want. And the other thing is too is with this option of screwing it to the wall and putting different things, you can actually say you want to make a oh that's a little too high. Make a little coat hangers in your closet. There you go. There's a lot of options on what you can do, but what I'm trying to show you here right now has nothing to do with the extra options. I'm going to zoom out here. The extra options is that you can make all this stuff on your 3D printer for whatever you want it for. Like I said, you can make parts that go down instead. You can make parts like when you're doing this, you can make in brackets for anything, any size piece you want. And if you want to incorporate the steel tube with this stuff's strong. It, I'm telling you, man, it's not. It's you're not going to break it. You'll pull the screws out, and hopefully you know to put anchors in the wall, because this to me, I'm not really sure. Let's see here. What do we got here? It's not going to be a 12-inch center. It's going to be under 12-inch. Yeah, see, you got a 9.5-inch center, so you're not going to hit two studs. You'll hit one stud if you're lucky, or depending on whereabouts it is. But screw them to the wall. Put your anchors in them. Put stuff on them. Like I said, this one's going to be for the Mario Brothers or the princess, and I'm probably going to paint it green so that it actually is the proper color. Maybe like a John Deere green, or the color of the the actual things they pop out of. So there you go. You can put your glasses. You can put anything beside your bed, whatever you want to do with it. I think it's a great idea. Easy to make. Takes a little bit of time. But like I said, you got to make them solid. You don't want them to be hollow. You want them to be strong. All of these are solid. You're not going to break them. You're not going to break them. I don't suggest you use them for water. I don't suggest you use them for air. I mean, for little maybe water, maybe in your greenhouse or whatever. Uh, that's fine. But I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I don't suggest it. But no, it's actually to print this here, this elbow with the bracket on it takes 2 hours on a regular flash forge printer, or you could probably go down to 45 minutes on a Clarity. But you don't really want to print fast. I don't print fast. So anyway, there you go, and there you go. What do you think of that?
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.